Hello people, today we will be covering the differences and similarities of approaches given by Frederick Winslow Taylor and Henry Fayol, that is scientific management theory and administrative management theory. So let's get started. First, we will do differences between Taylor and Fayol. So Taylor concentrated on shop floor level, that is analysis of a worker's activity. He worked from bottom to top level. Hence his theory is known as bottom-up theory. His main concern was to improve the productivity of labor and eliminate wastages. He emphasized on efficiency of workers and managers in actual production. He focused on the increasing productivity through work simplification and standardization, whereas Fayol concentrated on top floor level. So that is he analysis of managers' activities. He worked from top to bottom level, hence his theory is known as top-down theory. His main concern was to develop a universal or general theory of management or administration. He emphasized on the function of management as a whole and principle involved therein. His main focus on improving the overall administration by observing certain principles. Other differences between the two are Taylor's idea was based on scientific experimentation, observation, and measurement. He stressed on the technical side of work. He studied micro aspects like management of tasks, so his theory is known as micro theory. He advocated the principle of functional foremanship, and the principle and techniques are relevant mainly in production activities, whereas Fayol's idea was based on personal experience. He stressed on the administrative side of work. He studied micro aspects like management of total organization, so his theory is also known as macro theory. He advocated the principle of unity of command, and his principles are relevant in all functions areas. His theory has wider application as compared to Taylor. Now we will see the similarities between Taylor's vision and Fayol's vision approach. So both realize that efficient management of the problem of personnel is the key to organizational success. Both applied scientific method to the problem of management. Both attempt to put management on rational and systematic basis. Both believed that managerial qualities can be acquired through training. Both realized the universality of the management. Both had the experience of industry and developed their idea through practical training and experience. And both emphasized mutual cooperation between employer and employee for the attainment of organizational goals. So that's it for today in differences and similarities between Taylor's and Fayol's approach, that is scientific management approach, similarities and differences between scientific management approach and administrative management approach. In next video we will be study about Max Weber's and its thought. Till then, do like and share the video, subscribe the channel for further content. That's it for today. Thank you.